If your sewing machine isn't sewn right, there's a good chance that it's threaded wrong. Let me show you how to thread it step by step. I'm also going to show you most common mistakes beginners make that messes everything up. What you need is your machine arm, that thread, and make sure that your presser foot is up. Make sure you always start with your presser foot up. So this is your spool right here with the thread, and every machine shows you this guide right here. It should have a guide. So then you go through this first right here, and then we come down here, right? And then we go around the tension dial. Then you go, see, if this is in here, it's not up, then you have to turn this, right? And when you turn that, this comes up, bam, right? Now you go around there, and then you come back down. Now you at your needle, right? You let go and your thread goes back in there. Just get something to pull your thread out, right? Now get something to pull your thread back out, right? Now it goes around that loop in there, bring it back down, and then we go to the needle. For me, do the same thing. Bring your needle up, and now get the needle, and then we bring it through. If you have a automatic needle threader, that would be good, but take your time and put that through there. Right. Through, bam, bring it on the other side. That, put it, take it, put it all the way through. Then we're gonna put this back down there, like that, push it to the back. Perfectly threaded. Make sure everything goes through the guides, or you're gonna mess up all your stuff. This is your bobbin, and let's go ahead and show you how to do it. They have something right here on the machine that shows you how to do the bobbin also, but make sure you put it in the right way, which is this way, the tail coming back like this, right? And then we go around here, and then we go around like that. Very important. And then you do like that, and then you snap that on. Let's go ahead and test our stitches on some fabric, right? Push your foot up, now press a foot down, and now we're going to use this press a foot to start the stitches, right? Bam. Wow, that's cool. Yep, okay. Now go like that. Press a foot up, take this out, and we clip the stitches. Bam, bam. Now look at that. Perfect stitches, you know what I'm saying? Perfect stitches in there. Yeah. We even let's sew this together right here. Sew this together. Then press a foot up, press a foot down. Make sure you got enough space back here. You can even pull the thread if you need to. Yeah. You done closed it up now. Yeah, that's some strong stitches right there. Yeah. See, that's how you sew, man. The most common mistakes is the presser foot being down while you're threading. Another one is the bobbin in the wrong direction, and also missing that guide, any guide that you need to thread your machine. If you want to learn all of this step by step and avoid all of these beginner mistakes, I got my beginner sewing course link down there in the description right now. Get you sewing from nothing to something. Finish your first piece today. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And make sure you send this to anybody who needs to see this also. I appreciate you. God bless.